WAGO compact lever connectors are 32 amp rated and take any conductor up to 4 mil in solid, 7-stranded or fine stranded. They're common in connectors, which means they have a common metal bar and you have to put all your neutral wires together in one connector. Push the lever down and then you've got a secure connection, and then you do the same for your lives and your earths. You can only use one conductor per slot. Once you've made all your connections, you simply add them to your enclosure, like so. Close up your enclosure, and there you have the perfect connection.